What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Me and my wonderful wife over here got this wonderful idea to possibly move. And the only reason why we would like to move is to get a house with more property. Just because you guys see that I work on cars, and having my own shop on site would be very helpful. Plus, sometimes I run out of room with the amount of cars that I have. So it would be nice to get something that has more land. So my wife found a house, and it's very close to where we live now, about 10 minutes away. And we are going there right now to take a look at it. And hopefully we could get there before our realtor Russ, so I could take a quick video from the outside. But stay tuned, maybe this will happen. This would be laundry place. This would be the first bathroom.
Saying if you fix it up to 650, so, but you're gonna need at least another 50,000 or so. We can go take a look at it, and then I can tell you approximately how much it will cost. Let's go to the tennis one. I'll text you the address.
As you guys saw, a short clip, that house, I mean, it's beautiful, the remodel is great, but the rooms are so small, and I'm a tall guy, and the house we're in now has like 9 or 10 foot ceilings, and that one is, I don't know, 8 foot ceilings or something. It doesn't sound like a big difference, but you know, like I'm pretty much up there, which I'm not a big fan of, and I don't know, the house itself wasn't a big fan. But our realtor Russ, he was actually the one that helped us buy the house we're in now, and he found a few other houses that we might be interested in, so we're actually going to another house right now. This one, he said, is more of a fixer-upper, but it has, I think, two acres of land.
Yeah.
Or almost 3 acres of land, which is massive, because the house we have now is sitting on 5,000 square feet roughly, maybe a little bit more. So, you know, this is a lot more land. Maybe like 70,000 square feet or something. So we'll see how it's gonna go. I am very excited, but I definitely want a house that I could kind of see myself living in. And maybe the house that we have now, we kind of got spoiled with it because it's our first home, and it really is a wonderful home. It's big. I mean, there's 4 rooms.
No, we're sitting on a 3,400 square foot lot.
3,400 square foot lot, and the house we just looked at is 27,000 square feet. The lot, not the house itself, the lot. So this one that we're going to is much bigger. So I guess we'll see what's gonna happen, but we should be there in maybe 10-15 minutes. Guys, we're like out in the country. Elevation is definitely going up. Look at that, 800 feet, and there's snow. Yeah. But I feel like this is too far out and too wild for me. Guys, look at where we came. Guys, this house is at 1,000 feet. Views are fantastic, but honestly, we slightly struggled coming up here. But this garage comes with it. But imagine, how am I gonna work on cars when it's like this? It's definitely peaceful and quiet here. And with my guidance, my wife did this. She's so awesome. Good job, babe. I have his hat.
I honestly don't know how I feel about living here. Like, middle of nowhere.
You guys have internet service?
We made it into the house. That's what it looks like. Definitely.
So it's like a 3-level home. Got a downstairs and then
The views are killer though.
just love this place.
Just your, I guess, thought, how much
I'm guessing that's the laundry room. So it looks like a 3-level home.
Very quite interesting house. Someone who built it got a certain taste, and it keeps going.
What? What do you do with this?
This house is almost hilarious.
I'm like falling behind. Can't really see. I'm glad we came out here during the day. I mean, it definitely has some killer views here. I hear, oh wow, about the master. Let's go take a look. It's like what, a 4-story house. Yeah, nothing. No lights.
From the looks of it, to update it, change over carpets, and you're looking at around 60 to 70,000. No, around 60, yeah. 60,000 will get you new carpets, floors, paint, doors, kitchen, everything new, new flooring, new decks outside.
Yo, there's a sauna in here.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Look at that. With a bidet. Right there, right?
You're right, that is a sauna.
This has to go down as like one of the most interesting houses I've ever seen.
There's a skylight too.
You know, my curiosity is legit really tickled.
Like, who built this and why?
Yeah, somebody who wanted to stay away from the people and probably had a family because he had quite a bedrooms here.
Oh
Another
no.
deck.
Okay guys, we're leaving this house. The design, as you saw, is super weird. And our realtor said it would cost about 60 to 70,000 to remodel, but it's sitting on 2.5 acres. I mean, it's like in the middle of nowhere. It's so quiet and serene here. But this is the drive up or down now. I'm gonna go very slow. This is somewhat sketchy, and I definitely would not be able to go to work on some days unless this was like always cleared out. But I don't know. That's where the house is, up there. That right there that you guys see. A little fence right here. It looks like this driveway is shared with another house a little bit higher than the one we just looked at. But I don't know. Like, oddly, I'm interested. For the right price, you know, remodel it, kind of make it like our own home type of deal. I don't think it'd be too bad. I'm gonna stop here, wait for Russ to kind of get out of the way just in case. We don't want no accidents. But this is pretty steep. I don't know how we would get down here with a boat. Yeah, that'd be a challenge with a boat. Wow. Realizing that that might be the single deal breaker. I'm gonna show you guys this right now. So we are at 1,036 feet altitude. It's a nice looking home. And once we get home, I'm gonna show you guys the condition at home. There is no snow like this. This is pretty darn crazy. We are now at 370 feet. As you guys can see, drastic difference. We live actually at like 200 feet, so even smaller or lower altitude. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for joining. That was a short one. It was a little fun. We enjoyed it. We'll see what's gonna happen. We're gonna think about it and maybe keep our eye out for other homes that have more property. And it looks like it's actually snowing right now. This is so crazy. This weather is so up and down. Just wow. But subscribe, stick around for more, and thank you.